Hi all, I got the delivery of coins, next delivery of coins today again. Came 1 day later. It's 3 kg of silver coins. I open it up and then I show it to you what I got and what condition. I'm not happy with the company because they charge me a double delivery fee. I will explain everything later. Plus, I had to pay over $120 tax on the border where they said will be no tax. So that wasn't the deal. And with that company, I had already a problem. I never will order from them again. The company is called Silver Gold Bull. Last time I got the stained coin and they didn't exchange. They said that the coin is 5 years old and that's normal that coin stains. No, I have some coins in collection which are much older and they are not stained. So that's a very stupid explanation. But I made that order before I got an email back from them. If I knew that they're not gonna exchange that coin, I would never make that order. But let's see what's inside and if will be any problems again. I paused the video for a second. That for you will be just a second, and I'm gonna open it up and show it to you what I got. So that's what's inside. What I did with that order, it was I ordered some that's over $1,100 of coins in here. I made one order and I decided to make another one a few hours later, and I asked them to put everything in one package. But anyway, they charged me delivery fee for 2 packages, so I paid $26 extra because I made the orders in few hours. Few hours difference. Say I made one order at 12 afternoon and another one at 2 p.m. But I asked them to put everything in one package. But anyway, they charge delivery for 2 packages. Okay, that will be the capsules for bars. That's capsules for coins. That's coins. In here I believe is a $10 face value of junk silver. We'll have a look later what they gave it to me. Here's coins. Here I bought some coin capsules. That's coins. And that's capsules. Okay, that's all capsules. Oh, not too much for $150, so that okay, let's start with the new ones and then we see maybe will be some key dates on that one, but I doubt. That's the silver bars. That is 6 of them. Sunshine minting. 6 ounces of them. They packed actually properly. I don't think I'm gonna take them off the plastic and put them into the bars. Maybe you leave it in the comments if you believe that plastic is okay to keep the silver in, or should I put them into the capsules. So I put them away here. Now, what do we have here? Walking Liberty. What year is it? 1 second. I can't see properly. Oops. I had the weight somewhere here with the magnifying glass. Okay. That's 2008, good condition. That is a bird, Canadian. Okay, it's more of Walking Liberty. One sec. 2008 as well. Another Walking Liberty. (2013), another Walking Liberty. 2019, it's Canadian bird as well. I don't know if I can focus properly. Good condition, can't complain. That's the pandas I ordered. So it's 2017. Actually, pandas which I got from them last time, they didn't match the wave, which is supposed to be. They were much heavier, so I'm afraid that they may be fake. But let's check this one out. 1 second, I tarred the old wave, so that may be a reason as well. 313, so that's okay. 2017. That's 2017 as well. Let's check it out, the wave. 31. So that's okay. It's another 2017. It's okay. And another 2017. Yeah, the wave is okay. What do we have here? More pandas, I think. Yes. That one's supposed to be 30 grams, and let's see. I have a problem to open the packages with the gloves on. They are in the back, so I have to take it out. That will be a pain in the ass with the gloves on. But I took the one glove off. So that wave is okay, but other ones which I got it last time, the wave was incorrect, and that was like almost 2 grams over. So I wasn't happy about that. I have to find some acid on the eBay or in some numismatic shop. Just in my town there's no numismatic shop. I have to go to Capital to get it, because in Korea no one collect the coins. Seems like. That's another Panda 2016. That was 2016. That is 2016 as well. 2016. All good condition. Where did I put the top of that? I don't know. Okay, I find it later. We have some coins here. So let's see what's in there. Pandas as well. 2019. 2019. 2019. 2019. And 2019. And here we have some more bars. There was a 6 1-ounce bars, and I remember I bought 2 5-ounce. Yeah, that's the same mint. Sunshine minting. It's a 5-ounce bar. Yeah, I put it away in here. And another bar is, what is it? I can't read it. Scottsdale silver. That's 5 ounces as well. And let's go now to the junk silver. Let's see what they sent it to me. That's $10 face value. I have to take the gloves off. What is the weight of that? 248 grams. Put the gloves off on back. Okay. Let's see what's date are there. It's $50 Franklin. 1954. Kennedy. Very bad. I can't see the date on this one. No, yeah, it here. 1964. Bad condition. Walker. Kind of bad condition. Very wear out. And date is not visible. So wear out. That's $50. 1945. Walking Liberty. Another Walking Liberty, 1943. Another one, 1946. Kennedy, 1964. Walking Liberty, 1941. Lincoln, 1965. Kennedy, 64. Walking Liberty, 1945. Walking Liberty, 1946 again. Walking Liberty, 1947. Liberty, 41. Liberty, 43. Kennedy, 64. Good condition. Just one good condition. Here's some good condition as well. 64 as well. Lincoln, 1960. Liberty, you can see the date, 43. And the last one is Lincoln, what's the date, 51. So that's all what I got. Please subscribe and press the notification bell button if you're interested. I'm gonna check out more companies. So this time there was no stained coins. What was wrong was delivery fee and 1 day delay plus tax, which I'm not supposed to pay. I paid over $120 equivalent in Korean won, $120 tax for a bit over $1,100 coins. So work out like about 10.5% tax, 10% tax. So that I'm not happy about. Like I said, please subscribe and press notification bell button, and I will upload some new videos soon. Bye bye.